A bad cold wind blows our country. And now all the bluey pieces of string are everywheres. You will show who did this. You will show who did this crying laughing emoji.
Do you want to see boy?
I want to see so I can be. I was supposed to be president. I was supposed to make the funny hot dog mustard stain popular. Everyone was going to have the new style. But now their style is held whom they cannot even see. They cannot wear invisible snowman. What were you thinking? I was supposed to be president? I was supposed to be president?
I was the first to unscramble my eggs, boy. I emerged from the sea, and I screamed and the birds took me away. And where is your egg, boy? I bet it is still scrambled.
Well, at least you are still a stupid idiot, even if you are smarter than me.
Oh hey, I forgot what your name was, or maybe you never told me anyways. Do you know where QQQQQ is? Our friend QQQQQ, who is not really my friend, but I still want to know where he is. Where is the bald guy?
Bald guy is gone.
Oh. You look cold.
Yes. It is snowy ground day.
I'm go away now, bye bye.
Bye bye. H.
Bang, bang, blammo.
Oh no, 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 oh
Dada's Diner is the worst restaurant of all time. I wish people could go into that guy's bar without getting kicked out. Dada's Diner fucking sucks. I hope Dada chokes on his own bullshit grilled cheese. Remember to subscribe.